videos that I'm doing for the train on the train are going on the YouTube channel.
Oh, I need to be in the weather. Midnight. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, it does. It feels so good. I love it. Get out there. Ah, okay. Okay. You're gonna have a little show.
I know why people line up. I'm in the block, don't mind me.
There's the evidence. Oh, yeah, 13. While you're out there, kill a cow, bring it back.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, kill a cow, bring it back.
If not, we will defend this train with our life.
Yeah! Hey, go get a cow, bring it back.
Get a cow.
We have a barbecue, shoot a cow. We'll watch the train for you guys.
We'll be right back.
Go do it. Go do it, ma'am. Sir. Get out there. That's our principal. They're watching you.
I'll be back.
You get raised.
Why am I? That's the
Wrong board. Wrong board. Uh-oh.
What now, Joey?
They go to fight.
No, let's check in.
Right?
And then when the train stops,
Uh-oh. Prisoner of war, guys.
Hey!
Oh! You missed one!
We have one right here.
Oh, get him! You missed!
Tony.
Wayne, go catch him! Stab him! Stab him! Yeah! Yeah! They stabbed him! Yeah! You
That's just up, BK.
Yeah, you drive turkey! Okay. Do anybody gotta use the outhouse? It's right there.
No, they're disgusting. When I was a child, go home for family reunion.
You know what? We're tired of your freaking stories.
And guess what?
We're tired of your
My
stories.
mom's aunt had an outhouse, and it's horrible. I would never. These people got me wrong.
Look at Tony.
Hey, y'all need to call DCF. They got a kid out there. Get him.
Tony's crazy. What, Peyton? Fire in a hoe!
Yeah, the little kid was laughing back there. I love it. He's still laughing so cute.
Check this out, BK.
BK. Oh, they brought in the artillery. The plane up there. They got the Air Force.
You head out to BK, Tony.
Their backs are being turned. They're y'all gonna turn around and fight?
It's an ambush! It's an ambush!
Please, can you? Please, can you? I know. Oh, his gun. That is hilarious.
Man, give me yours.
I ain't had it, but I should have had it. But
Yeah, they got Colt 45.
that's all we need.
We need hand to hand. That body smells grass.
He's moving. I've seen it.
Oh, let me go stab his ass.
Tony, shut up.
I saw it moving.
We're gonna try and come back for another event. They're gonna go therapeutic rec.
Nope,
We
not
full.
allowed.
Yeah, we ain't been
Right,
here.
full.
We're gonna have to wait another 7 years.
Yeah. I wonder why.
Yeah! He's down! Yeah! Shoot him again!
Lester!
Yeah.
That's the press. Don't talk to the press. Get him, boys!
Advance! Advance!
See, he ain't dead.
Holy moly!
told
He's
you.
alive!
I told you he wasn't
He's
dead.
alive! Both of them! He has been healed!
Look out, Toby.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's another one down! Some serious stuff right here.
Oh,
Ooh, Lord have mercy.
break out the Pepsi.
Yes. Ooh, sugar. Boy, I gotta get on here.
Hey, Peyton. More kind of fire.
Okay, just like fireworks. Stay. Got it. Then you want to better start.
Give my friend a drink right there.
He's our comedian. This is all day, every day, guys.
And they would step back, and this is what they
Hey, the same guy died again.
Oh my God, they stealing the money. They got the money and they leaving.
How'd you let him get the money? It's better than swipe. Get out there and get dirty. This man said, can I please hold your feet? Can I keep on feet?
I told you.
We're gonna have a whole man.
Same girl or dad.
One guy gets killed, they get upset. What happened, Phil?
Good, buddy. I promise you're good. You all right? You catching all the smoke. Going to beef up, right? Yeah, we're good. They're gonna have somebody there coming in.
Awesome.
His next server comes in the morning.
Okay.
So he's like, "I'm be okay." And I was like, "Yeah, we're good."
There's one restaurant I haven't been to yet.
Where beef up Raiders?
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's where we're gonna go for lunch, guys. So when we load up, that's what we're doing.
What, what kind of food they
They
got?
got burgers. They got
Oh,
everything.
that's
It's a
right down my
regular
alley.
American menu.
That's my alley then. Now we're good. I'm definitely going to be eating there.
Uh-oh, they're charging with a few. Where's the hand-to-hand combat? What is this? What is this?
It's slow.
It is really slow.
Stop talking out there, fight!
Tony is a riot.
Because Tony's going to get one of us shots.
Some bloody fights.
Oh, yeah, we can't take care of no one, right?
He's going to get one of us shot.
Some little cute kid right there. It's so funny.
There was one person walking out.
Why do you go? Because he's not compared to his spot. He goes out there.
Thank you, Eric.
Oh, I know you know. I know you know.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
I will. Not yet. You should win your phone. He's like, oh, it's time to get up.
oh, it's time to get up.
guys.
Right here.
Warm them up.
Jesus,
That was exciting.
Pam, warm them up. You ready to salute? Warm them up.
That was great, guys.
Warm them up.
That was so good.
Go speak. You gotta warm them up. Get ready.
Get ready, I'm ready.
When we do this, when we do these events, nobody pays us to do these. We do it on our own. Gunpowder, trailers, guns, cannon, everything is volunteer. What we're going to do is I'm going to have each unit identify themselves so you know who was fighting here today. So, once the Yankees get their stuff together.
Yeah. Get your stuff together.
Coach Bandman.
Head Colton, to the right. Forward. Mark. I'll yell when it's done. Men up there, I bet. I'm hard to miss. Okay, hold. That's a lot of money. Run! 11. They're 13. Take serve! Run! Right now. Play, rest.
Front.
Gentlemen, the representative. Oh, yeah. Not load, load. Don't worry about loading. The representative of your group, I'd like him to shout out who you are, your unit. Okay? Just identify yourself so people know who you are down here.
That would be you.
It's going from left. That'll be Bill. Then we come over to right here. You guys. And then Joe, of course. Right on down. And then we'll do the school. And we're already 5 minutes over. I think this is good. And it's my turn. Take that. 14th Brooklyn. Identify yourself, please.
14th Brooklyn, New York State Militia. Company Chief. 79th New York Cameron Highlanders. Manhattan, New York.
Clap.
On guard, Florida.
Yeah.
Alabama Flying Infantry. Second Florida Company, the Hammock Guard.
I know, but
Oh, you want me to do it?
I want you to. That man there makes this all possible. Let me speak for him.
I just pay his dinner.
Right here is our president. He will introduce himself. And these guys are all volunteers and responsible for making this a successful event. I hope you all enjoy it.
I am Colonel Fidley. I represent 4th Brigade, Florida.
Rope Brigade, Florida. Yeah.
That's why I was going to do
Alan Turnbull, Captain, 37th Alabama. Resident today is Colonel of Hardy's Brigade out of Florida.
Yeah.
See if I can remember Attention. Brigades.
Company.
Shoulder, arm. At extreme elevation. Ready. Shoot us.
Guys, come on in.
Not again.
I usually keep my hands to myself.
Oh.
Hold on, cover your ears.
Tony, that's the first.
Got Emma.
Highlight file, full rate.
Okay.
Not yet.
What do we usually do? And
Oh, there you go.
Shoulder, arms. Right, face. Forward, march.
Shoulder, arm.
Oh, fine.
I have no friends.
You have friends. There are plenty of people that love you, baby.
I sure will.
Lead break, right, face.
I was loud enough.
That's what I'm saying. I saw that.
Damn water bottles and everything.
It's real. Hold on. That's a chemical she got a lab in her apartment. What do you think Gigi was?
I can touch it.
This land out here. The whole farm going, I'm telling you right now. I saw that. Bill on out there. Put plastic back in there.
No.
I would love to have a farm.
You're still here?
Yeah.
I was watching that. My friend on the field. He enjoyed it. We loved it. The Civil War is over. Yes. Yep.
Chris, you've been videoing this entire time?
Yeah. Yep.
It was awesome. It was awesome.
It's going on YouTube. I got my own channel.
I don't think anybody's going to want to watch 15 minutes straight driving by greenery.
I've been watching. Then it has
Good job. Good job.
This.
Thank you, man. Good job. Thank you, sir. Good job. Good job.
Thank you for doing it.
Oh, yeah. We love it.
Thank you.
You missed this. Wait, go blue.
Thank you.
Can I go get the goal?
Good job, sir. Thank you. Good job, my friend. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
For the union.
For the union, baby.
What's your name? Call the DCF on me.
They're like, what is DCF?
They don't even know what that is.
Are you okay over there?
It's called something else.
Oh.